Hello children, welcome to Learner's Planet. Children, this is our ninth session on the topic of addition, and in the previous session we had done carryover additions of two-digit numbers, that was between 0 to 30. Yeah, right? And I had said that in this session we'll be doing addition from 0 to 99, right, and in both the horizontal as well as the vertical ways. So let's start off with the addition. So keep a notebook and your pencil and eraser ready with you so that you can solve the sums with me, right, and then you can check the answers. So let's start. So now let's start adding. We can take any number randomly, but we just have to take care of the important points that I had given to you, right? So suppose we can take 29 plus 82, right? Now units under units and tens under tens. So first we'll add the units. So 2 plus 9, that equals to 11. 1 over here, 1 is carried. Now 8 plus 2 equals to 10 and 1, that's 11. So 111 is the answer. Now see, over here I haven't put hundreds, right? So this means that I need to put the two-digit number over here together, okay? Because when you're only adding two-digit numbers and when you don't have hundreds to carry over, that means the number that you get the answer from the addition of tens, you have to put it as it is in the answer. We'll take one more question like this in which I'll explain it even more better. Now see, now look at this carefully. Suppose first tens, units. Suppose we have 73 plus 42. Alright. Now 2 plus 3, that equals to 5. And we don't have any carryover, so we'll just add them. So 4 plus 7, that equals to 11. So I'll put 11 as it is, but I will not put them both together under the tens. I'll keep some gap, alright, because it will be hundreds over here. So it should come under hundreds, alright. So I have the answer as 115. Now we'll take a few more examples. $58 plus suppose 63. Alright, now we'll add them. So first 3 plus 8, that equals to 11. 1 over here and 1 is carried. Now 6 plus 5, that's 11 and 1, 12. So 2 and 1 both, but a bit gap so that we have the hundreds place value here. Alright, now let's take one more. Suppose we have 44 plus 78 equals, so that's tens, that's units, that's tens, and that's units, and again tens and units. Alright, now we'll add them. First the units first. So 8 plus 4 equals to 12. 2 over here, 1 is carried. Now 7 plus 4, that's 11, plus 1, that's 12. So 1 over here, 2 over here. Alright, so this is the hundreds place, alright, under which the 1 comes. This is very simple. It's just, you just need to take care that you have to put them as it is and not carry it over, or don't just forget it. Alright, now let's take some more examples. Suppose we have 45 plus 36. Now 6 plus 5, that equals to 11. 1 over here, 1 over here. Now 4 plus 3, that's 7, and that's 1, 8. Alright. Now suppose we have 77 plus 97. Now we'll add the sevens. So 7 plus 7, that's 14. 4 over here, 1 over here. Now 9 plus 1, that's 10. 10 plus 7, 17. So 7 and 1. And this is the hundreds place. Alright. So either put the plus sign over here, or if you don't write 100, the H over here for 100, then also it's fine. But just be careful that you have to write it, the number together. Okay. Don't put it like 714 over here. Okay. You need to write it as 174 because this is 17. If you think that we only have to put one digit over here and you put 7 over here and 1 in the middle, then that will be wrong. Okay. So just be careful that the whole 2-digit number that you get the answer of tens as, you have to put that as it is, because you cannot carry it forward, because this is only double digit addition. If it was 3-digit addition, then you could have put it forward, but not in this type of addition. Now we'll take a few more questions. Tens and units. Suppose we have 63 plus tens and units. 79 equals to tens and units. So 9 plus 3, that's 12. 2 over here, 1 is carried. So 7 plus 6, that's 13. Plus 1, 14. So 13 is written as it is, and we get the answer as 132. Alright. Suppose we have, let's take a number, suppose 39 plus 82 equals to, alright, so first we'll add 2 and 9, which equals to 11. So 1 over here, 1 is carried. So 8 plus 3, that's 11, plus 1, that's 12. So that's 121. This is the hundreds place. Alright. Now suppose we have 98 plus tens and units, which is suppose 89 equals to tens and units. So 9 plus 8 first. So first 9 and 8, which equals to, we'll cut them off first. 9 plus 8, that's 17. 7 over here, 1 is carried. 8 plus 9, 17, and that's 118. Right, so that's 187. This was very easy, right children? Now we'll take a few more questions. Now suppose 45 plus 85. So 5 plus 5, that's 10, 0 and 1. Plus 4, 12, and that's 113. So that's 130. Now we'll take another one. Suppose we have 28 plus 70. Now we'll add them. So 0 plus 8, that's 8. 7 plus 2, that's 9. So that's 98. Now children, any number plus 0 is always the number itself, okay? Because 0 has no value when it is added, okay? But it has a place value when it is behind a number, okay? Suppose it is written as 70. So this doesn't mean that it's only 7. It means it's 70. If it's 700, then this means it's 700. But if it is 007, then it means only 7. Alright? Because when it's in front of a number, it does not have any value. But when it's behind a number, like over here, 0 has value. Alright? So the number of zeros you increase, then the value of that particular number, it increases and increases. Because over here it's 70. Then it will become 70. Then this is 700. Then this is 7,000, 70,000, and so on. Alright? So you can keep on increasing the number if you want to increase the value. But when any number of zeros are in front of any particular number, then that means that it's only that number. Okay, if you have 00008, this means only 8. But if you have 8000, this means 8000. Alright? So over here, when 8 is added to 0, it is only 8, because any number added with 8 is 0. And alright, so children, I guess this is it for this session. In the next session, we'll take a few more sums of the same type, and then in the in the carried session, that's gonna be after the next session, that's next to next session, we'll be taking 3-digit addition from the basics. Alright, so just practice such sums of only 2 digits as of now, and then we'll start off with 3 digits later on. Alright, so just after you have the grip of this, we'll start. We'll take a few more problems in the next session, and then we'll start off with the 3-digit addition. Alright, so I'll see you in the next session then. Bye.